Okay, so we're coming back here on video number 2 of the day. So this is going to be the second funnel that we put together here. So instead of promoting separate income streams or promoting separate companies, I wanted to put them all together in the funnel and tie it all together. So then that way everything is automatically put on one link. Okay, sorry guys, got the kids here. But pretty much here in this one, again, I wanted to promote a system here. This was something that I built from a system called the Conversion Pros. This is another marketing system that is going to pretty much put everything on autopilot for you and your business. So that way, makes it a lot easier for you to just go out and market and promote. So if you looked at the other video that I just talked about, you can utilize those same strategies for this exact same system as well. The only difference with this one is that the income streams are higher because of the products that you put. Now, just because of that particular video, if you like to use that system, then you can definitely use that system to get leads in and promote this on the back end as far as the income streams in the back end. But together, when I put it together, I was only thinking of one income stream. But when I put together the bonus training actually made it a fourth income stream. So with that fourth income stream, it was actually considered as the market, one of the actual traffic strategies. So what we're going to do, I'm going to walk you through the particular system that I put together here, showing you the income streams that you're able to get and make with this particular system. So we're going to do here, this is considered the capture page. The capture page is the first page. This is what's going to allow you to follow up, build that relationship with your leads. So that way, if they don't join in the first time, then you build that relationship with them where they eventually join, so you warm them up to you. Okay, so what we're going to do here, I'm going to enter my information here. Okay, so we're just going to go here and we're just going to say, and we're going to go 116, I'm sorry, and we're going to just put a number in right there. Okay, so as we opt in, we're going to go to income stream number 1, which income stream number 1 here is me. Actually, I'm breaking everything down. So before you go into it, before we go into everything, pretty much, I kind of explain who I am, break it all down for people, and then we go into income stream number 1. But what it is that I wanted to show you some proof of people what they're doing. See, in income stream number 1, you're able to earn an income of $25, $100, $250, $500, $1,000 to $2,000. So that's income stream number 1. That's upfront, one-time payment. And what it is, it's a vault of training that is going to pretty much show you how to master and market online marketing. Each level is each product level is it has each level, as far as the $25 and the $100 and so on, has a vault of training. And depending on the level that you come in, allows you to give you reseller rights onto those bottom levels. So if you come in at the $500 level, it gives you all the reseller rights all the way to the bottom, as far as the $500, $250, $100 to $25, and so on. So if you come in at the 1,000, in the same, and so on. So you get the 1,000, the 500, 250. So you're qualified to resell all of those particular products, all the way up to 2,000. So these are people here, as you can see here, where I'm showing you a 250 commission, a $100 commission, a $2,000 commission, and a $1,000 commission. So I break that down in this particular video here. So this is income stream number 1 on the marketing system. So it tells you where you can sign up for it. Okay, so if you wanted to sign up, you would just follow the link here. And what I'm going to do here, I'm going to show you guys here. I'm going to show you guys here. So like, let's just say at the $25 level here, this is everything that you're going to get at the $25 level. Okay, so if you come, that's why we mentioned you want to get positioned at the better levels, because if someone comes in at the 250, you're still qualified for all these levels. So eventually you may get someone to come in at a $100 level, someone that may come in at a 250 level or 500. As long as you're positioned, you're going to get those particular those payouts. And this is directly into your PayPal, your Payza, Bitcoin, whatever it is you want to use for a merchant account to accept payments, because the payments come directly to you. You pretty much check them that they're active, that everything was received, they were paid, and you guys are good to go. Okay, so all the way on down. So I'm going to show you this. So this is pretty much like social media marketing here, where it's going to give you all the strategies for the social media marketing. Here is going to give you a lot of traffic strategies, drop shipping, if you want to kind of get into eBay, things like that. Amazon, that's considered, you can kind of get into some drop shipping on that side. So it kind of breaks it down, and you qualify for all these guys. Once you come in, you're pretty much qualified for everything. So that's why I wanted to share with this particular income stream. Okay, so let me go back here. I'll go back out. Just go back and on back up. Okay, and then you would go to step number 2. So step number 2 is the marketing system. The marketing system, just like I'm showing you guys, I built this with this particular system, which is called the Conversion Pros. And with the Conversion Pros, you're going to get all these particular tools here. So as you can see over here, Webinar Builder, a landing page builder, contact manager, autoresponder, email broadcaster, SMS broadcaster. So you do get an SMS broadcaster here. You do have to have credits as well. A blogging platform. Now, only difference with this one, you have to pretty much have your own lead supplied. With the broadcaster, you have to send them through your TCP page in some way to get that email to do the broadcast. With the other, with SMS phone leads, you know, they supply you with those. They supply you with the phone numbers on the e-blast, on the actual SMS blast. So this is everything you're going to get. You're also going to get share codes. So if you have other pages, other people are marketing that you're marketing to, we already have pages pre-built for those particular systems. Autoresponders. So you know, if you're not good at copywriting, they're going to pretty much give you everything that you need for your autoresponders, for your credit repair, BizOp, weight loss, travel, even for the system itself. So even with the landing pages here, see, the landing pages are different systems. So weight loss, nutrition, money, lifestyle, cryptocurrency, credit, working home mom, shopping cart program. See, we already have pre-done pages already, like I've showed you in my first page. So we can you can see it here. And you can always go in and edit it and make changes, and we have training that literally show you guys how to do that. And I'll show you in the back office of, you know, what I'm doing here as far as showing that there. So let me go ahead and pull some things up here for us. Here, so let's go back. So we're going to scroll down, and let's go to leads here. Okay, so you can also order leads. So this is another way. This is another traffic strategy as well. So these are leads. These are not clicks. So if you order these leads are going to go into your message series, and you're able to send messages to them. So I'm going to show you this here. So if we were to buy generic business leads, these are all the leads that you can purchase. Okay. If you were to buy female only leads or male leads, they're pretty much a little bit higher, but $49, but you get 50 leads. Okay. The live interview leads, these are people that have actually tested and showed that are interested in particularly making money online, so you just need to reach out to them. So these are not clicks, these are leads. Okay, so let me go back out of here. Go back to the pay funnel. Okay, and they pay you a $25 residual income for each person that you bring in. So this is the residual side of the system. So each time someone comes in this system, you're going to get a $25 residual income from them. Okay, so next step. This here, you're going to earn a 40% commission. Now with this, you're able to give out vacation incentives. You're able to give out dinner vouchers to your business. They also have a training as far as Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook advertising. So you're going to get all that training in this particular system. You're going to get a 40% commission. So the 40% commission on that is what, like 19 bucks that they do give you, and it is 47 bucks a month for this. Now if you choose not to, you know, set up this income stream, that's cool. You know, it's just part of the system, but you don't want to miss out, because if someone does sign up, then you're going to miss that commission, because that commission could go to someone else. Okay, so you definitely want to set up your system on that. So everything ties into each other. So if you want to give away you know, if you want to give away vacations, entice people to join your business or to look at your business, this is the system that you want to use, because that way you're saying, hey, let's just say if you set up a Facebook status, you want people to like that status. Or if you want to say, hey, you know, for anyone that like this status, I want to give you a free vacation to Vegas. That's going to entice people to look in your business or see what exactly you're doing and how you're able to do that. You can also give away vacation vouchers to any business. They cover all businesses from brick and mortar all the way up to online marketing. So in this video, in this income stream, I'm actually showing you commissions that I've gotten paid out the system, showing you the back office of it, so you can see exactly how it all is. Okay, Now in the back end here where I'm telling you to set up your system, this is where I say this is the fourth income stream where I just didn't think about it until the end. Because as I'm showing you how to set up your system here, that you can see here where it says Udemy. Udemy, if you set up and become an affiliate, anyone that purchase traffic from Udemy, you're going to get a commission as well. So for you introducing people and bringing people into the platform, you get a piece of the pie for people buying traffic. So I set that up outside of the social media ads training that you're going to get. So I put together this whole funnel to help out the potential new person to make money online as well, and to make instant commissions and also a residual income in the back end. So as you can see, instead of promoting just separate funnels and one link one at a time, you can actually just promote funnels and systems that have multiple income streams inside of them. Now with Christmas coming here, guys, this is a good system because all these guys pretty much pay out. You can have PayPal payments, get you a PayPal business card, and then you can swipe your card or you can transfer it into your bank account. So, like I said, good position here. I set these all up for you. These are good companies. They all tie into each other. Definitely help you to make some good money. So, definitely get signed up. This your boy Jay. I'm out. Peace.